Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. This is the video to go over homework number 105, which is homework day 4. So again, this will have all of the new work for day 4, and then it also will have questions from day 3B. I always go back and do the day previous so that you're always constantly practicing. So don't forget to plug this or post this onto Google Classroom, and let's see how you did. All right, number 1, how many solutions? So get rid of those variables first. You're left with 4 and -5, which do not equal each other, so that is no solutions. All right, solution is where the 2 points intersect. So that dot right there is 1, 1, and it kind of already gives you the answer right there too, if you notice. All right, number 3, you want to check if this is correct. Remember, the first coordinate is x, the second is y. So plug in y for 7, x of 2. Always do your multiplying first, then your subtraction. Always follow order of operations. You should get yes. Number 4, always pick 2 good points. So I picked 0, 1, my y-intercepts. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I picked 3, 3 was my next point. And I had a rise of 2 and a run of 1, 2, 3. Remember, always count the boxes. Or count, these little edge corner thingies. All right, so 2, 3, that cannot be simplified. Let's keep it moving. Number 5. Again, you're always going to have the y-intercept given, which is really nice. So you have your b already. You don't have to do any of that work. To get the m, you have to know this formula. And again, you have to memorize it. Okay, I told you that in class too. You have to have it memorized. They do not give you this formula. So you have your y2 of 5, your y1 of 0, over your x2 of 0, and your x1 of 3. And that gets you -5/3. Again, I like to put that negative on the outside, never on the bottom in the denominator, because it doesn't work in the calculator. Okay, you have the pieces to your puzzle. You have -5/3 and 5. So y equals -5/3 x plus 5. Make sure you're putting the y and the x. Okay, number 6, you have your additive inverses. So go ahead and add those two together. Combining like terms, 4x and 5x is 9x. 8 and 10 is 18. Divide and you get x equals 2. Now don't forget about that y value. So rewrite the original. Plug in x for 2. You want to multiply. Subtract 8 on both sides. 8 minus 8 is 0. That is okay. You can do 0 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2 will get you 0. All right, number 7. This is just a regular DCMS question. It just happens to be with decimals. So you want to move your smaller decimal over to your larger by doing the inverse operation of subtracting. And then subtract 2.2, and you should get lucky number 7. Okay, number 8, you're simply just dividing your miles and your hours. So 45.5 divided by 7 should have gotten you 6.5. Number 9, please make sure you're using that ABC button. Okay, the ABC button is really what's going to help you to do this fraction question. 6 sevenths times 7 is 6x. 7x, is 6x, and 6 sevenths times -21 is -18. So inverse operation, move over the constant, add 18 to both sides, divide by 6, and x equals 8. All right, hopefully you did okay on the first 2 pages. Number 10, 0 slope. This is 0 fun. This is 0 fun. Okay, imagine that slope dude. That's what he's saying as he's skiing. Okay, so now we're going to go back to what you did on 3B. So this is the 3B day. So vertical line is always going to be your y-axis. Remember, it folds this way. Number 12, which one does she not use if she wants them to all be the same size? So she's not going to use dilation, because dilation will make them larger or smaller. All right, number 13, it's always the same too. It's going to be your translation first, and then it's going to be your rotation second. So here it's going to be same shape, same size, same direction, and from 2 to 3 it's going to be your turn, and turn is rotation. All right, and I think we only have one more page. Yes, one more page to go. All right, 14. So this talked about dilation. So dilation, and you wanted to figure out the scale factor. So you're going from 2, 8. Okay, you go to 12, 48. So what did you multiply 12 and 8 by to get them to be 12 and 14? Okay, so that answer should have been 6. And if you're not sure, you take the 2 corresponding x's, 12 and 2, and you do the opposite and you divide them. All right, 15. Under what type of transformation can you have different sizes? This all means is areas. The sizes be sizes. That's going to be dilation. 16. A triangle is in quadrant 3, so that's right here, reflected over the y-axis. So you want to fold it this way. It's going to go over into quadrant 4. Okay, origin. Remember, anytime you rotate, okay, 180, you want to change the sign of both. So that's going to go from positive from -3 to +3 and -8 to +8. So 3, 8. You got that right? Good job. That's a tough one. You want to remember, change both signs. Change both signs. All right, for 18, you're solving for only the value of x. So do your corresponding sides. You're left with your left, so 3 goes to 9, 3 over 9. And then your two diagonals, 5 and x, 5 goes to x. Cross multiply, 3 times x is 3x, 9 times 5 is 45. Divide by 3 and x equals 15. So I know it's a lot of questions, but I hope they went really quick and they weren't too bad. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, please make sure to post it on Google Classroom so you get credits. All right, have a great day. Bye.